Stay out of your own way. Here's the first rule of winning. Don't beat yourself. Your biggest enemy is you. Have you felt like Dwight L. Moody when he said, "I have never met a man who has given me as much trouble as myself"? The first and best victory is to conquer you. Very often a change of self is needed more than a change of scenery. Here's some good advice. Only you can hold yourself back. Only you can stand in your own way. There is no one to stop you but you. Talk back to your internal critic. If you want to move your greatest obstacle, realize that your obstacle is yourself. And that time to act is now. You must begin to think of yourself as becoming the person you want to be. Give the man you'd like to be a look at the man you are. Change what you tell yourself, for no one really knows enough to be a pessimist. Remember, one of the nice things about problems is that a good many of them do not exist except in our imaginations. The fear you fear is only in yourself and nowhere else. Most of the important battles we face will be waged internally. There are two forces warring against each other inside us. One says, "You can't," while the other says, "With God, you can." Be encouraged by this fact found in the book of Matthew. With God, all things are possible. It's not the mountain that we conquer, but ourselves. The basic problem most people have is that they are doing nothing to solve their basic problem, which is that they build a case against themselves. They are their own worst enemy. What we are good and bad is what we have thought and believe. Therefore, don't put water in your own boat. The storm will put enough in on its own. Don't dream up thousands of reasons why you can't do what you want to. Find one reason why you can. It is easier to do all the things you should do than spend the rest of your life wishing you had. We lie loudest when we lie to ourselves. You can consistently perform in a manner that is inconsistent with the way you see yourself. Determine to multiply your commitment. Divide your distractions. Subtract your excuses. And add your faith. The first key victory you must win is over yourself. Stay out your own way.